Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review of some of the products from the brand Delon, which is an Italian brand. It is available online at Nykaa, and Nykaa sent me a few of these products to try out back in January. So I've been trying them out these past 2 months, and I'll be giving you a quick review of the products I tried out, how they worked for me, and what kind of hair types and skin types I would recommend them for. So Delon is a bath and body care brand, and they also have some hair care products. So I tried out their shampoo and conditioner from the Argan Oil range. Apart from that, I tried out 2 of their body washes and 3 of their body moisturizers, which comprised of 1 body cream and 2 body butters. Now all their products are free from parabens, so if you're someone who's conscious about using paraben free products that are also quite affordable, I would recommend these. Now most of these products are priced in the 500 to 700 range, so they're not as expensive as say a brand like Body Shop, but the quality is very similar. Their Argan Oil range has this packaging which looks quite nice. It's a brown bottle with a metallic turquoise label. Now both the shampoo and conditioner from the Argan Oil range is very moisturizing, so if you're someone with dry hair and dry scalp, you're going to love these products. They contain quite a lot of emollient kind of ingredients, so any dryness in the scalp as well as the hair strands is taken care of. Your hair feel really soft and smooth afterwards. Both the shampoo and conditioner contain argan oil, which we know is good for dry skin as well as dry hair. But argan oil is not the only emollient they contain. They also contain silicones and other derivatives from oils that give that silky smooth feeling on the hair. So overall, I think these are really good products for people with dry hair and dry scalp. Now if you have the combination of an oily scalp with dry hair, I would say go for the conditioner, but maybe go for a more clarifying shampoo. I have a really oily scalp, but my hair is super dry, so I found that while the shampoo felt really nice to use, by day 2 my scalp was getting a bit oily, a bit itchy. So that is my quick review of the shampoo and conditioner. Really good for people with dry, dull hair and dry scalp. These two together add a lot of shine and softness to the hair, and both the products are paraben free. And the one thing I forgot to mention is the smell of these products. I was expecting a more warm and nutty smell because they contain argan oil, but they actually smell really fresh. They've got a slight citrusy scent. It reminds me of grapefruit, and that's actually the scent that is consistent across all their products. It's the kind of scent you would want to use in the summer. Even their body washes have the same smell. Their argan oil body wash comes in a very similar packaging to the shampoo, and this is a really nice, gentle and moisturizing body wash. People with mildly dry skin or normal skin would really like this, and this has the same grapefruit scent, which is quite light, very fresh, doesn't feel overpowering, and feels really nice to use in the summer. This leaves the skin feeling quite smooth. The skin doesn't feel itchy or dry at all, and this is also SLS and paraben free. If you've got dry and itchy skin, SLS is an ingredient you should actively avoid as it dries out the skin further. So if you have somewhat dry skin or sensitive skin, and if you're actively looking for products which are paraben free, that don't have a lot of scent, something that's quite natural and fresh, I would definitely recommend the body wash with argan oil. Another body wash I tried out was their Organic Now body wash, and this is quite interesting because this contains 77% of certified organic ingredients. So just like the other body wash, this is also free from SLS. It's also free from paraben. Apart from that, it also doesn't contain any added color or urea, and this is not tested on animals as well. And it has this green pump bottle packaging. Looks really nice and fresh in the bathroom, and this also has a mild fruity grapefruity scent. Really nice and refreshing to use. This one is not as moisturizing as the argan oil one, but it's not drying either. Because it doesn't contain SLS, it feels quite gentle, doesn't foam up too much, and just leaves you really refreshed without adding too much scent on your skin. Coming to the body moisturizers, I tried out the body cream with argan oil and the body butter with argan oil. First thing you'll notice is that this comes in a huge tub packaging. This is going to last you like 5 to 6 months. I think it contains 454 gram of product here. This is also free from SLS and free from parabens. Now the cream is better suited for people who don't have super dry skin. The body butter on the other hand is a lot richer than the cream, and it's best suited for people with dry to very dry skin. The textures are really nice. The cream has a very light and thin texture, easily absorbs into the skin, leaves a very light veil of citrusy fragrance on the skin. Once again, like I said, all the products have a very grapefruity scent. It's fresh, it smells quite natural, and it's not too heavy, so it doesn't really interfere with your perfume or anything. So I found the body butter worked better for me in like the months of January and early February. Now as we're moving into the summer, I find the body cream works a little better because my skin doesn't feel as dry with the weather warming up. Now the body butter contains a lot of natural emollients like coconut oil, beeswax, argan oil, so obviously this is a little more moisturizing, a little thicker in texture. That's why I would recommend it for people with dry to very dry skin. I think for the current weather, the body cream is a really good option. I also like the amount of product you get for the price, which is only $5.49. This is easily going to last you 5 to 6 months, so definitely recommend the body cream. If you have normal to slightly dry skin, I think you're really going to like the body cream from Delon. And then the last product I tried out from the brand is their coconut moisturizing butter. It comes in a packaging like this, and this is quite a thick body butter for people with really dry skin. It contains a lot of coconut oil, which forms the base along with water of this body butter, so it's very moisturizing, really hydrating. It suits dry skin very well. Personally for me, I prefer the lighter texture of the body cream, and I also like the scent of the body cream, which is a little fresher. With this, I can't really tell what exactly the scent is, but it's not too heavy, so that's a good thing. Just like the argan oil body butter, this also contains a couple of natural oils, butters and waxes. So this contains coconut oil, it also contains beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter and caramel. So this has quite a rich feel on the skin. If you have normal to oily skin, you might find this a little heavy, but if you have really dry skin, I think this would be a really good option. Although if you like a more citrusy fresh scent, I would say go with the argan oil body butter instead of the coconut one. So that is my review of the products I tried out from the brand Delon. I hope you found this helpful. These are available online at Nykaa. I'm going to put the links in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.